folks. I'm going to try something a bit different today. We're going to use the GoPro on the head. We're going to go out and do some trash picking. The weather's not real good and I don't know what I'm doing with this and whether it works or not. But we're going to give it a try. Alright, we'll see you out on the road. Right people, I don't know whether this is going to work or not. But yeah, we're on the hard rubbish hunt. And I'm using a GoPro. I don't know whether I've got it right, but bear with me. I'm going to cut some cords. So I'm hoping that this is working alright. We're not after we're definitely not after steel, because my price for steel is crap. So I'm not even going to entertain steel as a viable. So we're after cords or anything aluminium. Copper. What have we got in here? That's coax. And most of the cords are cut, by the looks of it. But yeah, if you're going after steel, here you go. There's heaps of it. But it's no good to me. It's no good to me, people. Not at 2.5 cents a pound. Oh, first aid box. Oh, look. Hope you can see that old first aid box. Yeah, so what I'm doing, people, I've gone out today into a different, look at that. See that or not. Gone out into a different council who does have hard rubbish pickups. Yeah. Just going to stop at each one. And no, nothing there for me. Yeah, they have a hard rubbish pickup. And they specify no electronics, which is a bit sad for me. So instead of sitting at home, thought I'd come out just for something to do, and I'm chasing sort of aluminium, copper, brass. As I said, steel's not worth it to me. 2.5 cents a kilo. 400, 2.5 cents a pound, 5 cents a kilo. It's just not worth the hassle. If you've seen any of my other videos, there's a great heap of stuff there, which doesn't look inviting. If you see my other videos and you've seen me go into the scrapyard here, yeah, over 400 pounds is worth $12. So I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna be selective, and I'm sick of schoolwork, so I'm out and about having a look around. And I don't know whether this GoPro is going to work or not. It's the first time I've used it. It's a GoPro 2, but yeah, let's see what we can find, people. Let's see what we can find. So it's a matter of stopping at different places, people, and just checking. It's all polypipe. They're plastic. I don't want the steel. Yeah. I'm probably out too early. Don't want that steel either. I'm probably out too early. Hang on. What have we got underneath here? Oh, no. No. Yeah. Pickup's not for another 5 days. So, and I'm out in the country, so that makes a big difference. But yeah, we'll see what we can come up with. Got a couple of little things. Alloy rim and an alloy, I don't even know what that's off, but it's aluminium, so yeah, that's all so far. But it gets me away from schoolwork too. So yeah. Alright, back soon. The weather's killing me, people. The weather is killing me. I've just come down to this bit of a dead end. And we've got a few little piles. It's a Panasonic. We might have that, I think one. I think we might grab that one. I wonder if it's got the cord. It's a heavy one. Yeah, grab that. This is not the best picking weather, people. Holy hell. Look at that. There. Oh. Well, yeah. What have we got? DVD player. Yep. Old keyboard. There's an old school monitor there. And look at that. Oh, we don't want them. That's a, well, that's an old one. It's going in. That's a really old one. Don't want the monitor. So we'll have that. What have we got here? There's another pile there. What is this? Dick Smith. It's got no base. Another Dick Smith. That's the base. don't think there's anything here. Don't cords. Plenty of steel. There's a trowel. Yep. Some radiator. A big base for a TV there. Yep, no. Believe me. That's going to do it for me, people. There's some. Yeah. Ooh. Have a look at this. A little bit of water over the road. Good. Yeah, there is so much steel about. There is so much. I could have filled this ute about 4 times over, I reckon. Easily. But it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. I've got some good little pieces for me. I'm happy with that. I haven't been out long. And see there's more stuff. Well, no, I've already been past that one, haven't I? Sorry, just yabbering to myself. I haven't been out that long. I haven't travelled that far. So, yeah, we're gonna head home and get dry and have lunch. It's about lunchtime, nearly very close to lunchtime. So yeah, all right. Thanks for watching.